reggae. Nah. Yo, 1-2-1-2. It's your man Kirk State. You know what I'm saying? That's right. I hit the 2 on you. My man said in the comments last time. He said, "Yo, you from Maryland, DMV or something?" Yes, sir. You know it's hard to get that out of you, man. Once you've been here for at least 10 years. Anyway, but yeah, I can hit the uno dos on you, hit the tres on you. You know what I mean? Y'all too savvy. You know what I mean? But I'm not gonna go there. All right. But right now, I'm going to school you on the formula that I use on an MPC, right? And that is, I find 2 samples, right? Chop 2 samples, right? Get 2 drum kits, at the least 2 drum kits. Break them down, make it sound like a blend, right? And if you're down with the DJ world where I came from, right? You take that and it makes it sound like a hardcore blend, right? With 2 different drum tracks, right? And you chop the sample up, chop the sample up, you know what I mean? And just create something new, man. Nobody knows what it is or whatever, right? But it's all good. And it's your man Kirk State, and this is the MPC formula.
Yes, you know? This is what we're going to do right now. It's your man Kirk State. Found a couple of samples. We're going to chop it up real quick. Well, actually, I already kind of chopped them up. So I'm just going to get right to it. You know what I'm saying? Ain't going to hold y'all up. I know y'all got other beats to make. I know you got beats to rap to and all of that. So we just going to go ahead and I'm going to go cook something up real quick. Make sure my sound is loaded up. Oh, got a little cooking in there. Hold on. At the end. Gotta get that envelope, the key. There we go. I think I like this right here. The 16 levels, right? Hear that? I should hit the tune. I don't like that tune shit. So I'm gonna keep my joint at 91. See how I rock, right? There we go. I have a little sample here. That's how I rock. Whoops. It's only stolen 16 levels. All right. Layer 2 tracks of I'm dropping 2 tracks of drums on your tracks, on your beats. Might change that sample though. You know what? I ain't feeling that. just keep that, you know? Yeah. Could leave that piano on there, right? Bring it down low and throw something else on top. Let's see. To the sample. I forgot where was it? I think I named it. Might write these in. Let me see what the threshold does. Nope, don't like that. Go ahead and put one in there. I don't know who does this. If y'all do that, let me know. If you just go ahead and hit the pen icon, right? And then you know, just go with the flow, baby boy. You know what I'm saying? Gonna turn that, hit the shift, convert, new program with new samples, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna give it a name of what is it, M3 something, M2CH. I think the CH stands for chop, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know in the comments below what the CH stands for. It don't stand for cute honeys, so it gotta stand for chop, you know what I'm saying? All right. Might have to work on that sort of. I like the little piece at the end. Yeah, a little click at the end. All right, it's gone. Now this is one I'm definitely going to add a little something here to this. Maybe spring reverb. There we go. And I want to add a little bit of thump in there. What I mean by some low. Okay. What I say?
Kirk State.
And there you have it, player.
Woo, baby, woo. Okay. That was just a little something I dropped on you, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to rock a little something. Found, 2 samples like I usually do, right? That's the method for Kirk State. Find 2 samples, see if I can blend them together or maybe separate them, make 2 different beats. I put in 2 different drum tracks as usual, you know what I'm saying? And I came up with a little simple piano beat, you know what I'm saying? I love getting instrumentals that just has pianos in there and little hits and stuff, Usually when I'm searching for samples, I try to get some orchestra or whatever you want to call it type samples, right? The old school samples, things like that. If I can get some little voice in there, But I like this beat, man. And like I said, who you think you can hear on there, right? I can hear KRS-One on there, you know what I'm saying? Easily, you know what I mean? Shoot, man. It's like a story type beat to me, right? So imagine like someone telling a story over the beat, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, usually my technique is find 2 or 3 samples, always blend 2 drum tracks together, or if I have a little drum loop, which I really don't like using drum loops like straight from a vinyl or whatever it is, or whatever, if you sample off of YouTube, that's cool, or something like that. But I usually always chop them up, make them unrecognizable. It's like, some people can recognize the drums, because they're real good. They listen to a lot of music in their youth and all of that, you know what I'm saying? But I like chopping up my drums and all of that and creating something different, right? So that's what I did here. All right. So yeah, just like I said, the formula for me is 2 to 3 little samples, right, from vinyl or wherever, right? You don't have to use vinyl like me. You can get it off of YouTube. That's what a lot of people are doing now. Get that, and I always blend in at least, at the minimum, of 2 drum kits, right? Drum kits. The ones that you hear are drum kits that I've made personally, right? So I usually blend them in, like some days if I'm not creating, I'll just sit here and make drum kits all day, right? Or I will organize my drum kits inside the MPC or on the Mac or something, you know what I'm saying? So always keep it moving. Some days you don't get the whole creative bug to get you going, or the creative juices to get flowing. So, pause. So, you just want to stay busy within the music space though, right? Like I said, if it's organize your sounds, just creating drum tracks, just finding the sample. Sometimes I'll just find a sample. I might not really do anything with it that day, but I'll leave it in the file here, right? Just as raw samples. I made a file that says raw samples. Put my raw samples in there. So if I have a day where I'm not like really feeling it or whatever, I can go there in my raw samples file and find something and say, oh yeah, I forgot about this. I found this 2 months ago, and chop that up, and then boom. It makes the creative process easier when I always have stuff ready to go. Because you know the old saying, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. You know what I'm saying? All right, peace is your man Kirk State, and I'm out, player.